Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the future of making money. Yeah, you heard that right. I'm talking about creating AI influencers from scratch and turning them into cash-generating machines. We're gonna break down every single step, from giving your AI influencer a personality that pops to raking in those sweet, sweet brand deals. By the end of this video, you'll be a master of the AI influencer game. Let's do this. All right, first things first, what exactly are we talking about when we say AI influencer? Imagine this, a virtual character living its best life online, but instead of a human behind the screen, it's all powered by artificial intelligence. These AI influencers, they're like the superheroes of the internet. They can chat with followers, rock a killer outfit, and even promote your favorite brands, all without taking a single coffee break. Think about the biggest names in the influencer game. The Charlie D'Amelios, the David Dobrik's. Now imagine that, but with the power of AI on your side. These AI influencers can be anything you want. Want a fitness guru who drops workout tips like fire? Done. How about a fashion icon who predicts the next big trend? Easy. You dream it, you create it, and the best part? Businesses are going crazy for this stuff. They're lining up to work with AI influencers because, let's be honest, who wouldn't want a spokesperson who never sleeps and always hits their mark? This is the future, people, and we're getting in on the ground floor. All right, step one to building your AI empire. We got to figure out who your influencer is going to be. This is where you unleash your inner creative genius. What's your AI influencer's story? What gets them hyped? Are they all about that fitness life, posting workout routines and healthy recipes? Or maybe they're a tech whiz, reviewing the latest gadgets and dropping knowledge bombs on the metaverse. You could even create an AI influencer who's all about travel, taking virtual vacations and showing off the coolest destinations. The possibilities are endless, but you've got to be strategic about it. Just like starting any business, you want to find a niche, a specific group of people you're going to connect with. Think about it. Who are you trying to reach? What do they love? What do they need? And how can your AI influencer become their new best friend? Once you've got your niche locked down, it's time to build out your influencer's personality. Are they going to be the goofy, relatable friend or the super polished, aspirational icon? Remember, a strong personality is like a magnet for followers. It's what makes people hit that follow button and keeps them coming back for more. Okay, we've got the brains, now it's time for the beauty. We're talking about designing your AI influencer's look. This is where things get really fun. We're talking next level customization, people. Forget those generic avatars, we're going for something unique, something unforgettable. Think about it, your AI influencer's appearance is the first thing people are going to see. It's got to grab their attention and make them want to know more. Luckily, there are some seriously cool tools out there that can help. Want something super realistic? Check out software like Blender or Adobe Character Animator. These bad boys let you create a three-dimensional model of your influencer that looks like it walked straight out of a video game. If you're looking for something a little more approachable, there are tons of apps that let you create awesome two-dimensional characters. Think about what kind of vibe you're going for, and choose a style that matches your influencer's personality. And don't forget about the details. The right outfit, hairstyle, even a tiny little accessory can take your AI influencer from basic to iconic. Remember, this is your chance to create a visual masterpiece, so go wild and let your imagination run free. All right, we've got the looks. Now we need the voice to match. And I'm not talking about just any old robot voice. We're talking about a voice that's so real, so engaging that people will forget they're even listening to an AI. Believe it or not, getting that perfect voice is way easier than you think. Tons of AI voice generators can whip up a custom voice in minutes. Voices that can sound upbeat and energetic or smooth and sophisticated, whatever fits your brand. You can even choose from different accents and dialects. But the voice is just the beginning. We gotta give our AI influencer something to say, right? That's where chatbots come in. These little guys are the secret sauce to making your AI influencer feel like a real person. Using platforms like ChatGPT or Dialogflow, you can teach your chatbot to hold conversations, answer questions, and even crack a joke or two. Imagine your AI influencer going live on Instagram, chatting with followers in real time, responding to comments, and building a community. That's the power of AI, people. It's like having a 24/7 social media manager who never gets tired and always knows what to say. Now it's time to introduce your AI influencer to the world. Build a social media presence so big, even the biggest influencers will be jealous. Pick the right platforms. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, focus on where your target audience hangs out. Optimize your accounts with a killer bio and a profile picture that pops. Create a feed that's aesthetically pleasing. Consistency is key. Post regularly and engage with followers. Stay on top of trends and plan your posts in advance. Experiment with different content formats to stand out. Okay, now for the fun part, creating content that'll break the internet. And guess what? You don't need a Hollywood studio or a team of editors to make it happen. With the power of AI, you can create professional-looking videos, stunning graphics, and engaging stories all from your laptop. There are tons of user-friendly AI tools out there that make content creation a breeze. Want to create eye-catching videos with your AI influencer? Check out platforms like Canva or Lumen 5. These tools are packed with templates, stock footage, and special effects that'll make your videos pop. Want to take things to the next level? Experiment with deepfake technology or green screen effects to insert your AI influencer into real-world settings. Imagine your AI influencer hosting a travel show, walking the red carpet at a movie premiere, or even starring in their own music video. The only limit is your imagination. And remember, just like with any good content strategy, it's all about finding a balance between entertaining and informative. Give your audience what they want, behind-the-scenes glimpses, helpful tips, and of course, a healthy dose of your AI influencer's unique personality. Popular AI tools like ChatGPT for text generation, DALL-E for image creation, and Synthesia for video production can help you bring your AI influencer to life. Alright, let's talk business. You've created an awesome AI influencer, built a loyal following, and now it's time to turn that hard work into cold, hard cash. The best part? Monetizing your AI influencer is surprisingly easy. First up, we've got brand partnerships. Brands are always on the lookout for new and innovative ways to reach their target audience, and AI influencers are the hottest thing since sliced bread. Reach out to brands that align with your AI influencer's niche and pitch them on a sponsored post, a product review, or even a long-term collaboration. Next, we've got affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on every sale you generate. Find products that are a good fit for your AI influencer's audience and sprinkle those affiliate links throughout your content. But wait, there's more. You can also monetize your AI influencer by selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or even exclusive merchandise. And once you've built a substantial following, you can start raking in the dough from ad revenue on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. We're almost at the finish line, but before we wrap things up, I want to give you a few bonus tips to help you crush the AI influencer game. First things first, remember that building a following takes time and effort. There's no magic button to overnight success, but with consistent effort and high-quality content, you'll get there. One of the best ways to grow your audience is to engage with your followers like a real human being. Respond to comments, answer questions, and show your audience that you care. The more engaged you are, the more invested they'll be in your AI influencer's journey. Another pro tip, don't be afraid to experiment. Try out different content formats, collaborate with other creators, and see what resonates with your audience. The more you experiment, the better you'll understand what works and what doesn't. And finally, remember to have fun. Creating an AI influencer should be an enjoyable experience, so don't get too bogged down in the details. Let your creativity run wild, enjoy the process, and watch as your AI influencer takes the internet by storm. So there you have it, folks. You now have everything you need to create your very own AI influencer and start raking in the dough. Remember, the possibilities are endless. Whether you want to create a fashion icon, a tech guru, or a virtual comedian, the power is in your hands. Get out there, unleash your creativity, and show the world what you're made of.